This is Ben from Testive, and we're answering an SAT problem with imaginary numbers. For I equals the square root of -1, what is the sum of I to the fourth plus I to the third? Here are some things that I think are useful to remember about I, the imaginary number I, when you are working on a standardized time test. Well, I equals the square root of -1. We were given that. That means that I squared always equals -1. Because if we square this, we get -1. Which means that I to the fourth equals 1. And finally, I to the third, therefore, equals -1 I, or -I. Okay. So, with that in mind, problem is basically done. I to the fourth equals 1. Okay, so we have I to the fourth plus I to the third. You don't need to remember this one because it follows from the others. But I think if you remember these two, you'll have a good shortcut to doing problems on the SAT that involve I. I to the fourth equals 1. And I to the third equals -I. So it's 1 minus I. Done. That's all there is to it.